wake up in the morning, then I jug a nigga out the cash. I just scammed a nigga for a PlayStation and some gas. I just told the girl I love her, but I really don't love her. I just scammed her and her grandma for some dope cash. I just gave a crackhead some cheesecake and crack. I just checked. I just scammed a girl named Angela for a double cash. I just told a girl no, like I'm talking beans. I just scammed a nigga for that freak. I just scammed the mama out of ring. My brother ain't a bitch, that nigga is a simp. I ain't talking about Prince, I'm talking about Michael. Little nigga, I'm psycho. Little nigga, I'm like a Geico. I just scammed a nigga out of Geico church. What the freak did I say? Just sent a nigga a link, then I sold the AO account. I just scammed a nigga for 25 on the game. I just told Jenna Ortega, come and give me brain. I expect you better go come throw it on my dingalang. I just told a nigga shut up before I come and snatch your chain. I just jugged Johnny Dane for a 20p chain. I just told one of my girls no, like talking beans. I just scammed again, told that bun to shut up before I snatch off her weed. Nigga keep on dissing, nigga, I'ma have to go split your wig. Nigga keep on dissing, I'ma kill you and your kids. Yeah, hello? What up, talking being?
Bye.
Girl gonna try to ask me do I love her and I said no. I got so many other different hoes. My girl gonna try to ask me could I let her hold my pole. I said
no.
This girl gonna try to ask me could I cuff her and I said
no.
Ain't no police on, shot a nigga in they head with a double drum. I just killed a nigga in they head like a double son. Like Osama's son. I'ma blow up, little nigga, I'ma kill you and your son.